Hello everybody and welcome back. So now, this video is going to be me showing you all the dogs that are here. So first is this little cutie. Come here. Come here, Pepper. Pepper. This is Pepper, a little black dog. She is not mine. She is boarding here. As if none of you know that I have a dog boarding business. Let me just let this one out real quickly. She is a crazy one that tons of you probably have seen before. Come on, her. Harley. There's the bug. Okay. And now I'm going to let this other one out. So, come on out. Harley, out of the kitchen. Hey, Bubbles. Bubbles. Look. Bubbles. There's Bubbles. So everybody, bye and have a nice time.